Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. Walter and Mabel went for their annual checkup. The doctor asked Walter, "How's your hearing?" Before Walter could answer, Mabel jumped in. "Selective." Walter frowned. "That's not true." "Yes, it is," Mabel argued. "You only hear the fridge door and the word dessert." The doctor chuckled. "That's normal at his age." Walter perked up. "Finally, a professional agrees with me." Mabel smirked. "No, dear. He said it's normal at your age, not mine." Walter looked betrayed. "Then why do I pay his bill?" Mabel patted his arm. "Because you can't hear the total anyway." A blonde woman had just started her career as a doctor when an old man came in looking distressed. "Doctor, my package hurts a lot," he said, clearly in discomfort. The blonde smiled and said, "Don't worry, sir. Please lie down and take off your pants, and I'll help relieve the pain." The old man, a bit nervous but trusting, followed her instructions, wondering how this treatment would unfold. As she prepared to begin, she paused and added with a grin, "I hope you don't mind, but it's part of my training to make sure every part of you is well taken care of." And she starts massaging it.